Go outside? You guys want to go outside? Go outside. Go outside. Gotta go potty though. Yeah. You guys really gotta go? Hey. Okay, stop shaking it. You ready? You ready? Okay, I'll take you. I'll take you. Calm down. Calm. Okay, Jake, I'll take you. You ready? Ready? Let's go. You dogs are crazy. You dogs are crazy. New York City. I hear you taking a pee down there, Jake. You guys done? Or you guys still gotta go potty? You gotta go outside? Go. You wanna go outside? Hey, Jake, you wanna go outside? Go. Oh, there you are, Ginger, taking a poo. You guys ready to go back inside? Come on, you guys. Come here, Jake, or Ginger. Come on, baby. Good doggies. You guys done going potty? Yeah, let's go. Go. Go do. Oh, thanks for kicking your bowl, Jake. You're nice. That's pleasant. There's nothing in there except your slobber. You're gonna eat your own slobber. It's good. Is that good? Oh, no, Ginger's gonna eat. Jake's gonna eat Ginger's slobber. You're nice. Love you.